Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your blurry photos in Picsart. Doesn't have to be super blurry, just maybe like low quality. Select enhance for the one click and select an image. I'll just quickly select an image here. This is not blurry at all, but it's just going to enhance it a little bit more. So you are just going to use this feature, and here you are just going to wait for it to be applied to your photo. As you can see, this is the loading bar, I think. This is the before and this is the after. You can clearly see a difference. Apparently in the eye color as well, but once you're done, you're just going to apply, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!